Alright, robot, here's the situation. This is my problem. I'm getting this flow error. If I reset this right now, it'll turn on. But then in some length of time, even though the water is heating up, the whole thing will shut down because of this flow problem. Got it? The situation here is that that little pump right there is a circulating pump of some kind. The pump we were messing around with the other day regarding the capacitors was different. That's the one that's the main pump. I think there's another pump that's back in there somewhere. I haven't inspected that yet. So the job at hand is going to be to take off this thing right here, which is a gate valve that runs to this pump, because that's the place that's most likely to be obstructed with fecal matter, if you know what I mean. So that's the project this morning. First thing is get this fitting off like we did yesterday, take it off, but the first thing we're going to do is shut off the power. Got it? See that? This thing is leaking even though it's down. I guess it's not down all the way yet. It's still leaking even though it's down, which says to me that this thing isn't working right. It's supposed to shut off the water when that happens. So let's remove this thing. Let's shut off the other half. That should improve it. I'm also going to shut off this gate valve right here to keep water from coming in here. This is the pump. With all pumps it works the same. This is the input and this is the output. The output goes from here directly into my heater. So if there's some obstruction right here, it's going to give me a low flow, and that's the story. Right now, hopefully, I think this is just drainage from inside the system. But this is what we're trying to inspect at the moment. Alright, there's one side off. I don't know why in the hell the water's coming out of there. There's no input. That thing should be shut. All this stuff should be shut. There's no other way for water to get into that pump. So this is part of the mission, to try to find this stuff out. have to get out the big wrench. Everybody should have a wrench like this. That shouldn't be doing that either. If that gate valve is working properly, that should shut that off. Let's turn it on and see if it makes it worse. Ah. Well, that much is true. That looks like it's okay. There's some stuff in there, isn't there? Contaminants and all that kind of thing. Maybe it's good that we're flushing it. Probably not the greatest thing that that motor's getting wet, but okay. Here's our gate valve in the down position. Here it is in the up position. Looks like it goes all the way up. Hello, hello, anything in there? Nothing in there that I can tell. Got to remember to put that gasket in. So I'm ready to declare that there's nothing with this gate valve that we should be particularly concerned about. Oh, there's the... I guess the fact that it's leaking doesn't bother anybody. Alright, time to put it back together, I think. Nothing in there.